Miércoles 6 de mayo. Estamos trabajando todavía en la suma repetida. Aquí dice, escribe un enunciado de suma repetida para encontrar el total de cada diagrama de cinta. Y recuerda que esta aquí es el diagrama de cinta. Y aquí hay 1, 2, 3, 4 grupos. Entonces hay 1, 2, 3, 4 grupos. Y hay 3 bicis en cada grupo. Entonces será 3 más 3 más 3 más 3 es igual a, o 4 grupos de 3 es igual a. Y este aquí 2b, esta es la multiplicación. 4 grupos de 3 es 4 por 3. Pero antes de que podamos multiplicar, tenemos que poder sumar y entender qué estamos haciendo. Entonces aquí estamos de las matemáticas para hoy. Y aquí tú vas a dibujar un diagrama de cinta y luego encontrar el total. Si seguimos aquí en español, estamos practicando las palabras compuestas, que son dos palabras que lo vamos a juntar como salva vida. Una salva vida es alguien que salva la vida. Entonces aquí dice, ¿qué palabras en la siguiente oración son palabras compuestas? En el bosque no hay espantapájaros, pero sí hay muchos girasoles hermosos color amarillos. Nos vamos a ver qué palabras son palabras compuestas. Y dice qué palabras, entonces hay más que uno. Si dice qué palabra, entonces nada más hay uno, pero palabras puede ser dos o más. Entonces A, bosque. B, espantapájaros. C, hermosos. D, girasoles. Y aquí dice, ¿qué palabra en la siguiente oración es una palabra compuesta? Los niños se espantaron cuando empezó a llover, pero la mamá los sorprendió con un paraguas. Y aquí la pregunta dice, ¿qué palabra? Entonces sabemos que nada más hay uno. A, espantaron. B, llover. C, sorprendido. Y D, paraguas. Y aquí es el boleto. Crea las palabras compuestas usando dos palabras de la lista y luego úsalas en una oración. Aquí recuerda que aprendimos de la zona urbana rasca cielos, que rasca el cielo. Aquí tenemos una tela araña. Aquí hay girasol, salva vidas y paracaídas. Entonces tú vas a crear la palabra y luego usarlas en una oración. And then here we are in English, and we're still learning about habitats. It says, read the habitat article below. And if we look down, it looks like it's 1, 2 pages. And so I'll read this article. You can follow along with me on the screen, or if you have your paper packet, you can follow along there. It says, read the habitat article below. Where will I live? April 22nd, 2007 is Earth Day. That day reminds everyone to take care of Earth, our home. Many of Earth's animals are in danger of losing their homes. The pika, it says pika, is an animal whose habitat is in danger. A habitat is a place in nature where an animal or plant lives. Animal habitats in danger. We see this really cool picture, and our caption says, a polar bear and her cubs. Animal habitats in danger. Earth's temperature is rising, and people are using land where animals live. Pikas are related to rabbits. Some kinds of pikas live in the rocky slopes of mountains. These animals prefer cool weather. As Earth heats up, they must move to cooler places higher in the mountains. Scarlet macaws make their nests in the holes of rainforest trees. People are cutting down those trees and using the land for farms. Macaws are running out of trees in which to make their nests. Polar bears live in the Arctic. They live on large pieces of sea ice. As Earth's temperature rises, the large pieces of sea ice begin to melt. If the ice keeps melting, polar bears will have nowhere to live. And here's a tiger. It says, tigers are among the animals losing places to live. Tigers live in the grasslands of Asia. Their habitat is shrinking because people are building towns in places that used to belong to the tigers. Now, these big cats have fewer grassland areas to call home. It says, you can help Earth. Scientists say Earth is getting warmer because of pollution in the air. They are working to protect animal habitats. Here's what you can do. Take short showers to save water and energy. Dispose of trash properly. Recycle plastic, grass, paper, and metal. Turn off electrical appliances when you are not using them. Google search. Choose one animal from the article above to search. Write. What does the animal need to survive? What problem is happening in its habitat? Note any other interesting facts that will help you in tomorrow's writing. And so you're going to choose one of the animals from this article, and you're going to research more about them. What do they need to survive? And what problem is happening in their habitat? Now it says down here, interesting facts that will help you in tomorrow's writing. So let's look down at tomorrow's writing, just so we have an idea. Here. So it says, reread your notes from yesterday's Google search. Brainstorm your own character, animal, setting, habitat, build up, animal needs, problem in habitat, solution, and ending. Write. Use keywords to complete the graph below. Tell your habitat story to an adult. So this is for tomorrow. This is for Thursday. But you want to have an idea of what you're going to do. So you're going to create a story using one of the animals that you're going to research from today, from this article. So when you're researching or when you're choosing an animal, just making sure that it's going to be an animal that is interesting to you and you're going to want to write about for tomorrow. And that to be is Wednesday, March 6th.